Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art. And for today's video, I finally finished another Skillshare class. And this one is how to make a repeating pattern, a seamless one in Affinity Photo. Here is the introduction to my course that you can find on Skillshare, and it's not a long one, it's under 20 minutes. And with this type of course, you'll be able to upload it to any print-on-demand website using your own artwork. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Hello everyone and welcome back to my Skillshare page. I have a brand new Skillshare course for you guys, and this one is how to create a seamless pattern in Affinity Photo. Now, this is going to work with any version of Affinity Photo, and if you haven't already heard of this program, this is an alternative to Photoshop. And it used to be a one-time purchase, but now it is completely free. Now, this is the type of pattern that you are able to use with any of your own artwork. If you happen to have any drawings in PNG form and you wanted to make a complete seamless pattern out of it, this is going to be the class for you. And you can even size it up or down and even apply this to many print-on-demand websites. Before we get started, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez, and I am mostly a fine artist, but I do work with digital, pencil art, gesture drawing, acrylic, oil painting, and even watercolor as well. And some of the newest ones include drawing with just ballpoint pens in smaller sketchbooks, and they do vary in length from 15 to 20 minutes, half an hour, all the way up to over 1 hour courses. And many of my Skillshare classes revolve around the learning through pop culture, but I've been integrating a lot of different mediums so we can have a variety. So, are you ready to create your first seamless pattern in Affinity Photo? Let's begin.